It's not only Tirana city you can see and have a view from the balcony of Tirana. If you see on the right hand side over there, you can also enjoy this scenery of Croatia city. There
And
is a
if is weather is very good, this today is rainy, as you will see also the Dures and
Durrës.
Adriatic Sea.
Oh, you can also see the Durrës city by the Atlantic Ocean.
Adriatic.
We are outside and it was raining earlier. You can see the water on the floor and it's really cold here. It's my suggestion when you come to visit Tirana and plan to come to Dajti Mountain by a cable car, you should have some warm jacket or coat so you can protect yourself from cold or wind. There is some information. So hotel on the right hand side, mini golf, right hand side, and this is a couple heart is on the right hand side. If you come here, there is some other activities. Is a Balkan Dajti restaurant on the left, adventure park, mini golf, amusement park for kids, and photo balcony is on the left hand side. So first, I'm gonna go on to the left side and see how the Tirana look from top of the Dajti Mountain, or you can see the photo balcony on the Dajti Mountain. This one leading to the balcony of Tirana place. You see there is a heart and people taking the picture and videos and having a good view of Tirana city. This place called Balcony of Tirana. When you come to the Dajti Mountain by cable car, you can have a nice view and you can take picture and videos from here to Tirana city. Right behind me, this is the balcony of Tirana. It's situated 1,100 meters above sea level, and people do come here and they take picture, videos, and enjoy the scenery from top of the mountain, and they can see the whole Tirana city. It's not only Tirana city you can see and have a view from the balcony of Tirana. If you see on the right hand side over there, you can also enjoy this scenery of Croatia city. There
And
is a
if is weather is very good, this today is rainy, as you will see also the Dures and
Durrës.
Adriatic Sea.
Oh, you can also see the Durrës city by the Atlantic Ocean.
Adriatic. Oh,
The local guy, he was giving me some information. He said, if you see in the front, this is the Tirana city. If you see on the right hand side, if it's not raining, you can see Croatia city as well. And end of this Tirana city is a Durrës city. You can see it is situated by the Atlantic Sea. It's a paintball activity here, so you can have some fun. View is really beautiful. And it's still raining. It's still raining here, so luckily I bring with the body warmer and my jacket, so I can use my hoodie. So you can see I put my hoodie on, so to protect from rain. On Dajti Mountain, they also have a paragliding zone. If you're interested, for paraglide, you can come here and do this activity. I think because of rain or cold weather, at the moment there is not a lot of people here. I see only few people inside the cafe and few people outside. There's some area for kids. From this balcony point or balcony of Tirana, I can see the whole Tirana city in front of me. And behind this city, I can see the series of the mountain is going far, far away. As far as I can see, there is a mountain. Look at this view and scenery. There is a mini golf activity is right in front of me. This is the mini golf area, and because of rain, is no one here. There's some horses as well. You can have a horse ride here. If you see those two horses standing in front of me, if you want to have a horse ride, you can come here and you can rent it, those horses. This is the Tirana city. Over there, you can see the houses, flats over there, and then mountain series. Now I'm going to the town via cable car, and the day was very beautiful and very active. We seen mini golf and other activities, and the balcony of Tirana. We have a very nice view of the Tirana city from the balcony of Tirana.